Hi folks, I'm Jerry Moore, an award-winning wood carver. Folks, to make an award-winning wood carving, you have to be able to put an award-winning finish on that carving. And to that end, I would like to introduce you to the Flex Sander. For as long as there has been sandpaper, the only thing for fine detail sanding was to cut a sheet of sandpaper into an assortment of shapes. Well, not anymore. Watch this. See how the tip end of the Flex Sander can clean and square off your cut edges? And if you use up that end, all you do is rotate it just a slight bit and you have a fresh end. See how you can press it against a curved surface? You can sand that end around all day long without squaring that off. The hardest thing to sand is compound angles, such as flower petals. See how the Flex Sander can conform to what you're pressing it against? See how it not only sands but improves those cutting edges? As I insert the Flex Sander underneath the bars of this rattle, now I'm going to flex it. See how it bends around the bars and sands behind and underneath the bars? There's nothing else on the market that can do that little trick. Now this is impressive. Watch as I push the Flex Sander in between two of the louvers and then flex it. See how it starts to bend over, and then bends completely over, and starts sanding the back side of the louver? There's nothing else in the world that can do that little maneuver. Jerry's Flex Sander can be used on a multitude of surfaces, both wet and dry. You see, folks, Jerry's Flex Sander is the only flexible micro detail sander on the market, made just for all those small, little, tiny things you find in everyday life.